Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best pull-up variations you can do for muscle growth. I know a lot of people may be experiencing plateaus because they're doing the same pull-ups over and over again. Eventually, your body adapts. So the important thing to do when your body starts adapting is add different variations and hit the muscle in a different way that it's not used to. So without further ado, let's get into my favorite pull-up variations for building a wider back. Up first, we have wide grip pull-ups. A 2010 study looking at lat pull-downs has shown that adopting an excessively wide grip has little, if no extra, lat activation. It may even do more harm than good by placing increased stress on the elbows and shoulders. So for this example, I'm placing my hands just outside shoulder length apart. This next variation is known as typewriter. I think this one's great because all the tension is held at the top of the movement. Try your best not to do any quick, jerky movements, and control your body through the full range of motion. Up next is archer pull-ups. To execute this movement properly, pull up to each hand at about a 45-degree angle. Really focus on each side of your lat during the movement. For this next one, the first half is going to be like a normal pull-up, but on the way down, you're really going to focus on slowly lowering yourself down at about a 5 or 6 second pace. This is putting a lot of tension on your back, which makes it great for mass building. For this next variation, you're going to put your hands a little bit closer together, but not too close where it causes strain on your wrists. By adding the close grip pull-up to your routine, you'll be hitting the back in a different way compared to the wide grip pull-up. And rounding out this list for back building pull-up variations is the muscle up. The muscle up requires tremendous explosiveness, which makes it a great addition to your mass building pull-up variation tool belt. Of course, if you want to make any of these pull-up variations a little bit more difficult, simply add weight. I achieved this by simply adding some rocks to my backpack, and then I did the same pull-up variations, trying not to sacrifice my form. Adding weight ensures your body doesn't adapt to the pull-up variations you're doing, and is a great way to stay ahead of the muscle building curve.